Hello and welcome back to Sunrise TV, and you're watching Cards of Destiny. We were speaking to Miss Anu, so let's continue conversation with her.
Yeah.
Hello Anu.
Hello.
Yeah, hi, welcome back.
Yeah.
Okay, Anu, we were talking about your husband, and we will just continue with the talks, please.
Yeah.
We're talking about the change, and there's a lot of change which I can see. It could be financial, it could be personal, it could be professional, it could be any change which I can see that coming very soon your way. And it is giving a lot of positive signs as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, according to me, I feel that it should be within 6 months.
Okay. Yeah.
Within 3 to 6 months, you'll find this change within him. And there'll be a lot of positive energy around him.
Yeah.
And you yourself will feel like, wow, this is a changed person for me.
Oh yeah, I would be happy if that does happen.
No, it
I do
will.
worry for him. Yeah.
Right. No, it will work.
Yeah.
So we will continue.
I'm not sure whether he loves me or not.
Yeah, I mean, I said he's a dream person. He loves you, but then he does not tell
In his
you.
own world, isn't he?
Yeah, because some people don't like to share.
Yeah.
Some people feel that no, if I'll tell her or him, then he'll go on the seventh world, and then he may not respond to me back or something.
Yeah. No, he's all right. No, he's a nice person. I think your partner feel that.
He's a nice person. It's just that he loves to be within himself.
Yeah.
That is the only thing. Otherwise, I don't find the cards are bad.
Yeah.
So, okay, your next question, what we were talking about?
It was about him changing. When I said he still feels guilty about something that happened when he was very young.
Right.
And I said, is there any way we can get him out of it? And then you say you'd have a look and...
Sure.
Yeah.
So, can you select a card in between 1 to 79?
7.
7, that's very close.
Yes.
Okay, this is a 7 card. I can see a couple of things. One is you need not worry about the change what we're talking about, but because he himself will have this change within himself. Okay. It's like it's not you and me taking efforts would change him. Yeah. It will be his own sources, own energy from within which will develop. Yeah. However, the support is what is shown in the card is yours. That it's only through your support that change will come. So it's not that you have to do anything extra. Just try and make him feel good.
Yeah.
And positive. Yeah, because maybe he must have lost money and whatever he must have, I don't know what is it. But
I think he did lose some money.
Yeah. So you just have to make sure that saying that okay it's amount, or just relax, it happens in everybody's life, and just try to motivate him that because that's the only way he can get out of this.
Yeah.
I can also see
my support, is it?
Only with your support, yes. I can also see one more thing in this is that the property also which you're planning to take.
Yeah.
Okay, which is also showing a good sign.
Okay.
So I would recommend, in case if you're seeing any property, then please show it to a Vastu guy. Do you believe in Vastu?
Well, I'm confused. I don't really know. I mean, they don't because he's English. So
okay. No, but I would recommend. I would recommend because there are a couple of things which has been seen in the card as well.
Yeah.
So I would definitely recommend you to show it to a Vastu guy before you enter the house, before the selection of the house, so that it does not hamper him more.
Okay, you did hamper if we don't...
No, it's not that. Sometimes the location of the house is not very positive. Yeah, so maybe because of that the tensions arise. However, if as I told you right now, that if you show it to the Vastu guy, I can see that these things will not hamper him. It will not affect him at all because he will definitely give you a solution on that.
Yeah.
In case of something which is not a positive energy, they can, they help you with positive energies.
Okay.
And is there any legal matters also going around with him?
Not at the moment, no.
Okay.
Why, so, is anything legal?
No, I'm just asking you. There's nothing legal. I'm just asking in case if that's a thing, then he'll be out of that very soon.
No, nothing's going.
Nothing.
No.
So maybe the property thing what we are talking about, because that's again legal itself, you know.
Yeah.
Because a lot of paperwork and everything goes along with that.
Yeah.
So not to worry. So things will be, you know, within his parameters. Yeah.
Change a lot. Both of us, is it?
Yes, and I can see a lot of positive signs, you know, in this particular question of yours. A lot of positivity. But then again, that same question arises that, you know, when he's changing himself, he'll go through a lot of minor tensions and minor, what do you say, more on, you know, not on a balanced form. But that's okay, doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Because end of the day, it's a success which talks. It doesn't matter the hardships.
Yeah.
You know what you go through.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I'm really happy with the cards actually, that, you know, it's showing a lot of positive sign, positive energy, as well as a lot of good things coming up your way. And I mean, I can really see good signs in this.
You're happy with our cards, are you?
Yeah, absolutely. I'm very happy. The only thing what I don't see is too much of money coming in, but I'm sure, you know, it will start coming very soon as well.
At the moment, no, we are just spending at the moment. There's so much going on in our life.
Yeah, because I'm not seeing any monetary benefits at this moment.
No, no.
But then it's okay, you know, at least, you know, being mentally fit and fine is, I mean, I don't think anything is better than that, you know.
Yeah.
If you're happy and, you know, if you're having a satisfying life, there's nothing better than that.
No, no. And thank you very much,
Thank you.
Payal-ji. That was very helpful. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much for calling, and do call us back again with all good news of yours.
Okay. All
Looking
right,
forward to
thank
see you. Bye-bye. Take care.
Bye.
Yeah. So this was Anuji with us. We have another caller waiting on the line. So we connect with another caller as well. And the caller is from East London. Okay. It's still on the communication. However, I would just request people that we have very short time left now. In case if I'm not able to take your calls at this moment, I would request you that please call up during the off-air timing, which is from 8 to 9, and I'll try and help you at maximum whatever I can. So let's go to the caller, please. That's Miss J. Hello.
हेलो,
वेलकम टू सनराइज। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। बताइए आपका क्या प्रश्न है?
मेरा इनिशियल जे है, तो मैंने अपने बेटे के बारे में पूछना। उसका इनिशियल एस है।
एस है। और क्या पूछना क्या है आपको?
उसकी लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम्स काफ़ी हैं, उसको जॉब की प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, तो वो थोड़ा
तो प्रॉब्लम्स में हम लोग फिलहाल जॉब ले या कुछ और भी लेना है आपको?
हाँ, सभी जो भी है।
जॉब, ठीक है। तो आप 1 to 79 कोई भी एक कार्ड चूज कीजिएगा प्लीज।
1 to 79।
हाँ जी।
27।
27, okay. Let's go to card number 27. This is the card number 27.
33।
नहीं, बस एक ही कार्ड से। आपने कहा जॉब में प्रॉब्लम है। प्रॉब्लम तो है, जो मुझे भी दिख रही है, और ये प्रॉब्लम आप होल्ड कीजिएगा। अभी एक्चुअली समय थोड़ा सा समाप्त हो रहा है अपना, तो एक मिनट सिर्फ होल्ड कीजिएगा प्लीज़। Yes, Miss Viewers and Mrs. Viewers and Mr. Viewers, it's time to get into the off-air calls. However, I would appreciate that the early you call, the better it is for you, so that you don't have to wait, in the queue and try to then crib that, oh, I'm not able to talk to you. But however, I wish everybody a lovely evening, and wish all the all the birthday viewers and everybody a happy birthday from me and Sunrise as well, and enjoy every moment of your life, because you never know when life ends. So just relax, take care, meet you very soon, and I'm happy to be here in Sunrise. Thank you.